करना है कि इसमें क्या रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं कि नहीं है। नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व। Since its degree maximum power is 2, so its degree is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Now discriminant का formula हमें पता है, that is b square minus 4ac. Now if we compare it with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then here a is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. Now we will solve the discriminant, that is b square. B square is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 5 the 40. So 9 minus 40 will be minus 31. So here discriminant is less than 0. So this is a, since discriminant is less than 0, so no real roots are finding, because we know that if discriminant is equals to 0, then it has equal roots. And if discriminant is less than 0, then no real roots. And if discriminant is greater than 0, then there will be real roots. Now since discriminant is greater than 0, so it has real roots. So for finding the real roots, we have a formula minus b plus minus under root of d upon 2a. Here value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So the d will be b square minus 4ac. This is a formula of discriminant. So we will put it over here and we can find the real root of any equation. Now let us do next part. We will again compare it with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a is 3, b is 4 minus 4 under root 3 and c is 4. Again discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b is minus 4 under root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. 4 square is 16 minus 1 square is plus 1. So 16 into 3 under root 3 square will be 3 minus 4 4 the 16, 16 3 the 48. So here is 48 minus 48 equals to 0. Now since discriminant is 0, which implies अगर discriminant equal to 0 होता है तो हमारे पास equal root होते हैं. तो equal root by applying the formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here x will be minus b. So minus and minus of 4 under root 3. एक माइनस बाहर प्रेजेंट है फॉर्मूला में, एक हम b की वैल्यू भी नेगेटिव में है, तो माइनस माइनस विल बी प्लस. b is minus 4 under root 3 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4 upon 2a. a is 3. Now value of x will be minus minus plus, so 4 root 3 plus minus b square is, here b square was 48, so 48 minus 48, that will be 0 and under root of 0 will be 0 upon 2a is 6. So here will be 4 under root 3 upon 6, that means 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, So here will be 2 under root 3 upon 3. Now value of x is 2 under root 3 upon 3. अब हमें पता है कि डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 है तो इसके इक्वल रूट्स होंगे. अगर एक रूट 2 under root 3 upon 3 है, क्योंकि इसकी डिग्री 2 है तो इसके पास 2 रूट्स होने चाहिए और डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इक्वल टू 0 है तो इक्वल रूट्स होने चाहिए. दैट मींस अगर एक रूट ये है तो दूसरा रूट भी सेम होगा, दैट इज 2 root 3 upon 3. So these are the two roots of the above equation. So hence these are the roots of this equation. That's all. Now let us do next part. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Compare it with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 6, c is 3. Now discriminant is b square minus 4ac. That means b is minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That will be minus 6 square is 36. 4 to the 8, 3 the 24. Now 36 minus 24 will be 12. So since discriminant is greater than 0, so we will have real roots. Now we will find the real roots. Minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now minus b is minus 6, so minus 6 plus minus b is minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3. So here will be 2a. So value of a is 2, 2 into 2. Now here will be minus minus plus 6 plus minus. Minus 6 square will be 36. 4 into 2, 8, 8 3 the 24. 2a, 2 into 2 is 4. Now value of x will be 6 plus minus 36 minus 24. We are done. 36 minus 24 is 12. So under root of 12 upon 2a is 4. So value of x will be 6 plus minus of under root of 12 is 2 root 3. Because if we solve the under root of 12, then it will be, that is 2 under root of 3 upon 4. Now taking 2 common, 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4. So roots are 3 plus under root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus under root 3 upon 2. So these are the two roots of this equation. Now let us solve second question. Find the value of x for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. अब हमें quadratic equation दी हुई है जिसमें हमें ये given है कि they have equal roots. Now we know the condition that a quadratic equation has two equal roots if discriminant is equal to 0. Now we will find the discriminant. Now first of all we will write the general equation of quadratic ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will compare it. Here a is 2, b is k and c is 3. Now value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. That means k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That will be k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. So k square minus 24, ये हमारा डिस्क्रिमिनेंट आ गया. अब क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के दो इक्वल रूट्स होने चाहिए. फॉर दैट डिस्क्रिमिनेंट शुड बी इक्वल टू 0 अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन दैट अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो रियल रूट्स आएंगे, अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेंट लेस देन 0 है तो नो रियल रूट्स, एंड इफ डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0 देन इक्वल रूट्स. नाउ हमें ये गिवन है कि इसके इक्वल रूट्स हैं, तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट शुड बी इक्वल टू 0 बिकॉज दिस इक्वेशन हैव equal roots. So we will have discriminant equal to 0. That means k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24, which implies k square की वैल्यू 24 है, तो k की वैल्यू अंडर रूट ऑफ 24. So k will be 24 की so that will be 2 under root 6. So value of k will be 2 under root of 6. तो k की वैल्यू प्लस या माइनस में होगी. So this is the value of k. Now let us do for the second one. kn square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Again this is a quadratic equation. Now it has equal roots. Now for that we have discriminant should be equal to 0. अब discriminant का फॉर्मूला होता है b square minus 4ac. b की वैल्यू हमें दिया है minus 2k square minus 4. a is k and c is 6. Now discriminant is equal to 0, तो ये discriminant is equal to 0, तो यहाँ से minus 2k square will be 4k square minus 4 into 6 24k. Now 4k कॉमन निकाला तो k minus 6 for the 24k. Now it is again ab equals to 0 form. That means either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0, which implies either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. So that means either k की वैल्यू 0 upon 4 और k की वैल्यू 6. So which implies k is either 0 or k equal to 6. Now अगर k की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी तो ये पूरी जो टर्म है वो 0 होगी. That means 6 equal to 0, which can't be possible. So k equal to 0 is k is equal to 0, ये नेग्लेक्ट हो जाती है और ये k की वैल्यू अगर 6 पुट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ गया 6x square minus 6 to the 12x plus 6 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So k equal to 0 can't be possible. So this is the value of k. That's all. Now let us do third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mangrove grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. Now we are given a figure. It is of rectangular in shape. Now we know that area of rectangle is area of rectangular groove, that will be 800 meters square. ये हमें given है. Now we know that area of rectangular is L into B. Here L is length of rectangular mangrove groove and B is a breadth. So area will be L into B. That means L into B will be 800 meters square. Now whose length is twice its breadth. ये हमें given है कि उसकी जो लेंथ है वो ट्वाइस है उससे की ब्रेड्थ से. दैट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ L is 2 equals to L is equal to 2b. Now we will put over here 2b multiplied by b. This is equal to 800. Now 2b square equals to 800. Now b square will be 800 upon 2, that is 400. Now b will be plus minus under root of 400, that will be equal to plus minus 20. Now breadth is 20. That means length is equal to twice of breadth. That means length will be 2 into 20, which equals to 40. So length will be 40 and breadth will be 20. That's all. So hence, yes, it is possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth. That's all. Now let us do next question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Means अगर क्या ये situation possible है? If so, determine उनकी present age find करनी है. Sum of two ages of friends. दो friends हैं, उनकी ages का sum हमें 20 years दिया हुआ है. 4 साल पहले the product of the ages in year was, उनके जो ages की product थी वो 48 थी, तो हमने उनकी present age find करनी है. Now let us suppose Ram and Shyam are two friends. तो let Ram and Shyam are two friends. तो उनकी जो ages का sum है, present ages of let present age of Ram is X. Now present age of Shyam, that will be Y. Now that is according to the situation X plus Y is 20 years. अब 4 साल पहले, that means 4 years ago, that means X minus 4 and Y minus 4, उनकी जो ages का product था that was equals to 48. तो यहाँ से आ गया X into Y minus 4Y minus 4X 4 into 4 plus 16 minus 4 जब multiply करेंगे तो plus 16 equal to 48. तो that means XY minus 4 common, X plus Y plus 16 equal to 48. That means XY. Now X plus Y is 20. So we will put it X plus Y is 20. So value of X plus Y we will be putting out. Now 20 for the 80. So XY minus 80 plus 16 equal to 48. So here XY 80 में से 16 को subtract किया 48. So XY equal to 64 plus हो जाएगा इधर जाके. That will be 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. So product of XY is 112. Now X plus Y is 20. So हम Y की वैल्यू निकालेंगे तो Y is equal to 20 minus X. Now put it over here. X into 20 minus X equal to 112. So that means 20X minus X square equal to 112. हम नेगेटिव साइन कॉमन निकालेंगे तो X square minus 20X equal to 112. नेगेटिव साइन इधर शिफ्ट हो गया तो X square minus 20X equal to minus 112. Now we will shift it into the left hand side. X square minus 20X plus 112 equal to 0. Now अगर हम इसको डायरेक्टली बाय यूजिंग फॉर्मूला सॉल्व करें तो x की वैल्यू आ गई माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ डी अपॉन 2a. For that we will find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Here b is minus 20. If we compare it with the general equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. अगर हम इस इक्वेशन के साथ इसको कंपेयर करें तो x के का कोएफिशिएंट a है, x का कोएफिशिएंट b है और ये c है. तो a is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So b square is minus 20 square, minus 4 into 1 into c is 112. So here will be 400 minus 448, which is minus 48, less than 0. So here discriminant is less than 0. So no real roots. So hence we cannot find the present age of the two friends. That's all. Now let us do next question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? So find its length and breadth. Now we know that area is the region enclosed by any closed figure is called a area. Now perimeter is sum of all sides. Now we are given with the rectangular park. Rectangular form में that means अगर हमारी कोई फिगर है जिसमें this suppose this is a rectangle A B C D, तो हमारी ये दोनों breadth होगी और ये हमारी length होगी. Now perimeter is given to us. So perimeter of rectangular park is 80 meter. Now so the perimeter of rectangular का formula twice of L plus B, क्योंकि perimeter is sum of all sides, मतलब 2L plus 2B, 2 कॉमन निकाला तो twice of L plus B आ गया perimeter. तो perimeter हमारा आ गया 80, यहाँ से L plus B आ गया 80/2 which is 40. तो L plus B is 40. अब एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है रेक्टेंगल के? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क, ये हमें दिया हुआ है 400 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ एरिया का फॉर्मूला L into B. दिस इज region enclosed in a closed figure, that is called area. Now L into B is 400. Now here sum of L and B is 40 and product is 400. We will put the value of B is 400 upon L. So हम इसमें put करेंगे तो L plus B की वैल्यू आओ 400 upon L equal to 40. Now taking LCM, that will be L square plus 400 equal to 40L. Now L square ये इसको इधर लेके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, तो 40L plus 400 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this quadratic equation. 400 को हम दो पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं, that is 20 और 20, और 20 plus 20 is 40. So here will be L square minus 20L minus 20L plus 400 equal to 0. हमने यहाँ पे 20 plus 20L क्यों नहीं लिया? क्योंकि हमें दोनों चीजों को ऐड करके विद नेगेटिव साइन 40 आना चाहिए. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे प्लस कर देंगे तो प्लस प्लस दोनों को ऐड करके यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाएगा, पर हमें यहाँ पे नेगेटिव दिया है तो हमने इसको -20 लिया है, और माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है 20 to 20 400 है. तो both these conditions are satisfied, that is sum is -40 and product is 400. So we will combine these two factors taking common L. So L -20, यहाँ से हमने 20 कॉमन निकाला with minus sign. So L -20. Now L -20 फैक्टर कॉमन आ रहा है यहाँ से, तो L -20 कॉमन निकाला, left is L -20 again. This is equal to 0. यहाँ से हमने L -20 कॉमन निकाला, तो left over is L -20 which is equal to 0. So that means again AB equal to 0, which implies either A is 0 or B is 0. So अगर L -20 equal to 0 करते हैं तो L की वैल्यू 20, again अगर L -20 equal to 0 which implies L is 20. So from both of these cases length is 20. Now अगर हम breadth की वैल्यू निकालें यहाँ से, L की वैल्यू 20 है तो breadth कितनी आ गई? 20 plus b equals to 40. तो breadth आ गई 40 minus 20 which is 20. So breadth आ गई 20 और length is 20. Now अगर length भी 20 होगी breadth भी 20 होगी means ये दोनों भी 20 और ये भी दोनों 20. तो चारों साइड्स इक्वल होगी पर रेक्टेंगुलर में दो ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. तो अगर ये चारों साइड्स इक्वल आ गई दैट मींस इट इज नॉट अ रेक्टेंगल, इट इज अ स्क्वायर. सो इट इज नॉट अ रेक्टेंगुलर पाथ, it is a square path. Now our question is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter this and this, find its length and breadth. So हमने इनकी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ फाइंड आउट कर ली है. तो यस इसको हम डिजाइन कर सकते हैं पर इट इज नॉट अ रेक्टेंगुलर पाथ, इट इज अ स्क्वायर पाथ. दैट्स ऑल.